every disease, there is a herb that is a cure. Mother Nature has abundance that it has provided, and Ayurveda says that all we have to do is find the right herb for the right disease to be administered at the right time. Now, if you want to reduce your cancer risk, you also want to improve your liver health, also want to reverse diabetes type 2 and improve your skin health, this is your most potent herb, easily available in all tropical countries, neem. Antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, the number of benefits it has. It purifies your blood. You can simply have 15 days of neem capsule or the fresh neem pounded into a paste and then take a break. It also helps in getting rid of parasites and worms in your gut. You want to improve your hair health, hair growth, early graying of hair loss. You need curry leaves, rich source of vitamin A, B, C, E, iron. It helps in reversing gray hair. My grandmother literally reversed gray hair at the age of 80 because she would have 1 to 2 teaspoons of curry leaf powder in her diet. You can mix it with ghee, which has butyric acid. It helps in lubricating your GI tract. You have weak digestion, bloating, gas, flatulence, indigestion. Mint is great. It also has a soothing effect and prevents headaches from indigestion. Acid reflux, ulcers, also bronchial health issues, licorice root. This is something that you can simply make into a tea and drink. It helps in improving your gut health and digestive health. Heavy metal detox. Remember, this is one of the biggest cause of neurological disorders like epilepsy, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, because a blood-brain barrier has been broken and heavy metals have got deposited in the brain. You need something to flush it out. Cilantro and even parsley removes 85 to 90% of heavy metals like mercury and cadmium out of your body. Wash it well in apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and juice it. Drink it empty stomach. The heavy metals will start coming out of your system within 30 to 60 days. Bone health and kidney health, you need something that's diuretic in nature. Parsley. Parsley also improves bone health, but at the same time cleanses heavy metals out of your kidney. Diabetes symptoms. You need a herb, a spice in your kitchen like bay leaf, which has antifungal properties, antiviral properties, antibacterial properties, and at the same time, bay leaf reduces the glucose, the sugar spikes in your body, and improves insulin sensitivity. Bay leaf is great. You can just add it to your tadkas when you're making your vegetables and biryani. You want to detoxify your body, also strengthen your lymphatic system and improve your skin thus and get beautiful glowing skin. Burdock root, you can make a tea out of it. You can add it to your herbs and salads or your cooked food. That's a great way to get it in. Cardiovascular health. You want to improve your heart health. You need barberry tea. You can make a tea out of this. This also helps in reducing inflammation in the body and oxidative stress. It's great to have these herbs in your home. You don't need a doctor's prescription. Simply make a tea or add it to your cooked foods. Here's to healthy living and a healthy you.